Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, December 6th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance. We will have a brief faculty meeting after school, the pizza parties. For our St. Jude's fundraiser winners, we're kindergarten and fourth grades. Great job to everybody. These grade levels will be treated to a pizza party on December 10th. That'll be Friday. Pizza should be delivered around 1 o'clock. We will deliver to your classroom when it arrives. Freeze Pop Friday for those showing iReady Growth will be during PE on December 17th. We will also draw teachers' names for the Growth Prize on this day. So, get excited. Lots of exciting parties going on. Party day for any of our holiday celebrations will be Friday, December 17th. They will be held. There will also be a school-wide pajama day. Class parties may be held after 1 o'clock, except for pre-K. Grades. Make sure that you are syncing your grades regularly. Grade books should also be printed regularly. By now, you should have grades in every single subject in PowerSchool. So make sure that you are checking that and that your grades are syncing over. I know there's a system-wide issue. Some people have been noticing that their categories have come unconfigured and some grading skill issues. So make sure that you take a look at that closely and that everything is the way that you set it up and that grades are syncing. Reading PLT has been canceled for December. There will be a new date announced at a later time. Today's late duty is Miss Overstreet. Tomorrow is Miss Barnes. Wednesday is Miss Lee. Thursday, Miss Hogan. And Friday, Miss Granger. We are still collecting toys for Stuff the Bus, so you will bring a new unwrapped toy to school before Wednesday. Make sure that your teacher gets your name down that you brought a toy, and if you contribute to the toy drive, you get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday. Our word of the day is square. A square is a parallelogram with 4 equal angles and 4 equal sides. So we have 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. Important dates. December 6th, which is today, we have a brief faculty meeting. December 8th is the deadline for the toy drive. Also PST for grades K through 2. PST for grades K through 2 on Wednesday. December 9th will be our spelling bee. December 10th, our toy drive participants can wear their Christmas shirt and jeans. Door decoration judging day, and the St. Jude pizza party for 4th and kindergarten. December 15th is PST for grades 3 through 5, and December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. Whew, we have a lot going on here this week and next week as we close out this 2021 year and move on into a new year for 2022. So let's keep going strong, students. You can do it. We have a lot of celebrations. We still have a lot of hard work to do. So that's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.